exploring further into the wilderness. And I'm actually off the trails now, hiking towards Lake Panasoffkee. Trying to make my way towards that area the best that I can through here. I got a feeling it's going to get really dense. And we'll see how far I can make it. Making my way back further into the woods here. Starting to get swampy as I'm getting closer to the lake. But I'm going to try to navigate my way through here the best that I can. It's really beautiful out here though. Making my way further into these swamps, and this is really intimidating, just because when you're walking through here, though the water isn't really deep right now, but you do sink into the mud. There's a lot of fallen trees and debris in the water, and you got to be careful and watch your step. So it's challenging getting in here, but part of me tells me to keep going. Don't give up and turn around. So it's like a battle within when you're out in these places, because you want to tell yourself just turn around, come back another time, maybe when it's drier. But I'm already out here now. My feet are already wet, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep going, see how far I can get in here. This is nice. Finally hit some dry land back here in swamps. We'll see how long that lasts, but almost where the lake is. Close to the lake and back in the water again. Getting closer to the lake, although it's not dry in this area. And some of this water I've been going through is at least knee deep. Try my best to navigate through. And I'm just trying to get that way. But it just seems to keep getting deeper and deeper. And as you can see, there's a lot of tree trunks laying around, which also makes it difficult to navigate through. Made it through all that water, and it was quite the challenge. But I'm really glad I did, because I made it near the lake's edge. And this section is drier. I'm gonna look around the woods here, because there could be an old Indian mound in this area. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna take a look around. So beautiful here. And I thought there may be an old Indian mountain in this area. I'm not really seeing any evidence of that. A lot of cypress trees and cypress knees coming out of the ground here. View of the lake out there through the trees. I was surrounded by cypress trees in this area. There's another landmass over there on the lake's edge. Gotta be careful grabbing these trees for leverage. You can see a lot of them are rotted out. Take a look at this. I barely touched it. It falls over into the water. Well, I explored around the area as much as I could for now. It's definitely an intriguing place. Really enjoyed coming out here and making the effort to get to this site. And I gotta admit, it was a bit overwhelming and challenging. Many times going through these swamps, I just wanted to turn back, but I kept pushing forward. And for me, that's always a good lesson in the wilderness. And I apply it to my everyday life, that no matter how difficult and challenging things may get, you just keep pushing forward. And you learn to trust yourself. And of course, I always use the most caution I can when exploring these areas. You got alligators and snakes, all sorts of wildlife in these places. Now the daunting part is going back. So I'm gonna head back the way I came through here, which is through all this water again.